days of videos. And this is, I'm going to show you a code file that I just made. Yeah, guys. Look at the camera, right? So, again, you will no longer have static. You no longer have doggygamer. You will now have static. No, not on the TV. Well, don't break the TV. Yeah. Just wanted to start this video off by that big announcement. Yeah. I'm going to start posting daily like I used to a year ago. And hopefully I get to know you guys a bit better. Anyway, just say hello to Stat. That wink is good too. I'm gonna do that. And also, you will be getting that this channel has been named. Well, pretty soon. I'll find out how to get a PS, how to record videos on the PS, and upload them to the phone. It's gonna be pretty hard. Anyway, like I said, there ain't no more doggygamer. It's gonna be static now. And that's gonna conclude the video for now. Also, I have some old gaming videos which I won't be posting because those have a doggygamer. Don't worry, I ain't gonna make another account. I'm looking at you, man. I ain't gonna make another account. I'm just going to change the name. That's something that you can apparently do. That's what my cousin did. Like, he went from Falls Upset Pop to XX Daniel XX. He'll show me how to do it soon. But you guys, like I said, I just want to let you guys know that I'm still here and I'm well. And dang, has 2021 has been a crazy year for me and probably the whole world. Yeah. Hopefully I can get a hold on Gary's mod too. I know y'all like to see that. Yeah, when I get a computer. Yeah, there will be more gaming on this channel, vlogs like this. And I will make my own character. Yeah, I'm making up this concept called, I don't know, I'm still getting things ready and stuff. I just want you guys to know that I'm, working